I've ended up doing a bit of sightseeing of a special kind after all. It's amazing. Above all, the sun's back at just the right moment. Now the sea of sand begins. It's really impressive.
Die Nacht ist vorbei, die bösen Geister sind weg. Ich kipp dich aus dem Bett und mach Kaffee, der tote Tanten weg. Sind schön angezeckt, löschen unseren Brand mit Sekt.
In the meantime, as I said, I've arrived in Timimoun. I've already been assigned a guide, even tough I didn't want one. But apparently you'd literally being protected by a civil police officer there. So this is the opposite side of the market square, and at the front where I had coffee, there's also a bus station, and behind these walls is some sort of government buildings. No idea. Perhaps it houses the local government, at least according to organic maps. The man in the blue overalls has now repaired the stand for me. However, filming all this is always extremely exhausting. He worked on the stand a bit with the hammer to give it a bit more bend so it doesn't stick out anymore. Now we've actually been able to offer the lady some help at last, someone from Algeria. Basically, the washing machine had broken down. It turned out the fuse had blown. Why? Of course, we don't know. But the colleague who took the measurement did a brilliant job. He strapped the insulation off there. Then he took his phone charger, held it up to there, and checked whether he could charge the phone, so he'd know if there was any voltage. I, of course, grabbed my multimeter, had a quick measure, there was voltage, and checked. There's a glass fuse inside, which had blown, and now it's working fine. And I didn't charge a thing. I'm happy I could help someone out. Now he's going to get a fuse, the chap, and that's how it is. That's how measurement done here. It works, doesn't it? Timimoun, lovely, but not quite suitable yet for independent tourism and getting about on your own. There's a really beautiful site nearby, but he says you can't get there, it's dangerous, and the dunes are higher than Mount Everest, and you can't ride there, and who knows what else. So it's a bit of a shame. But that's how it is, can't change it, have to accept it. I'm mainly here to ride the moped anyway, not to visit museums or anything like that. But of course you can have a look around it. And tomorrow we'll continue riding the moped. Okay, well then. Greetings to the girls, hello to the boys.